Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Students, I am your class teacher, Miss.Rafiya Anjum, and today I am going to teach you. Yes, today I am going to teach you English. In English, today we will learn a new alphabet and the alphabet is letter P. Yes, students, the first one is capital P and second one is small p. Students, the phonic sound of letter P is P, P, P. The phonic sound of letter P is P, P, P. Now, I am going to tell you one story of letter P. So, listen carefully. Okay. P, Princess Priya lives in a P, pink palace. She plays the piano and she loves to eat pineapple. She writes with pen and pencils. Pia the peacock and Polly the parrot are her best friends. Students, there are so many words that begin with letter P, like palace, piano, pineapple, pen, pencil, peacock, parrot.